Bushra Mateen from SLN College of Engineering, Raichuru, the recipient of 16 gold medals. Sri Nijigunappa Guralingappa Hakkapakki gold medal, Sri S.G. Balekundri gold medal, Dr. Srimati Malti Kesari gold medal, Murthy's Medal of Excellence, National Institute of Engineering Silver Jubilee gold medal, Dr. M.C. Srinivasmurthy Memorial Cash Prize, Sir M. Vishweshwaraya Cooperative Bank gold medal, R.N. Shetty gold medal, N. Krishnamurthy Memorial gold medal, Jain University gold medal, Engineering H.S. Siddhalingaya Civil Engineering Memorial Award Cash Prize, Jyoti gold medal, H.H. Jagadguru late Sri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamigalu of Sutturu Math gold medal, Squadron Leader S.S. Chaitanya Memorial gold medal, late Sri Chandrasekhar S. Belgundi gold medal, VTU gold medal for having secured first rank, highest marks with first class, highest aggregate marks in all